Hi Aries, these are going to be your love messages for July. Let's see how your person feels. I'm pretty sure you guys know how you feel about your person or whoever you're thinking of here. Let's see. First, let's see what your person thinks of you here. Ooh, lots of love here. King of Chalices. The High Priestess. This could be a very spiritual connection for you guys out there. Strength card. This person views you as somebody who's very intuitive, very loving, and strong here. Some of you, they might view you as somebody who holds back a lot too. Could go either way for you guys out there. How do they feel? King of Pentacles. How do they feel about you? How do they feel about Aries? What else do we have here? They feel like you're somebody who brings them a lot of stability here. You have the Three of Chalices here. They feel very happy with you. There's a lot of love here with the King of Chalices and the Three of Chalices. How else does Aries person feel about them? You guys bring this person a lot of joy here. And then you have the Star. They view you, they feel like you're their wish. All right. What is this person's intentions for Aries? What else do we have here? What is this person's intentions? What is Aries person's intentions? What is Aries person's... I thought I felt the card flip over. What is Aries? Knight of Chalices. Wow. This person wants to offer you a cup of love here. Also, you guys, if you can make these vice versa as well, it could be your energy too. But I'm just trying to get the other person's energy here. All right, let's get one more card. This person wants to transform things with you. They want things to be fair, just, honest. I feel like they want to learn with you and grow with you here with the Knight of Chalices right behind it. I feel like that's what their intentions are. I feel like they also want you to open up your heart because the Three of Chalices is right above it here. You know, to be more in tune with your emotions, to show more passion and love. And then you have the Three of Pentacles here. They definitely want to build with you guys. I've got that feeling here. So that's it for how your person thinks, what your person thinks of you, how they feel about you, and their intentions for you. They definitely want to build with you. All right, what's in the upcoming future outcome here? We got the Page of Pentacles. Definitely building something stable here. For some of you, somebody could be cutting you out as well. They have a, or there could be, they want a peaceful outcome. Whatever this is about for you guys out there, it could go either way. Somebody could be moving in a new direction as well. For some of you, that's not for all of you, but I feel like for most of you, this is somebody who wants to build with you with that Three of Pentacles as well here, to create stability within the relationship. Let's see what else we have for your long-term outcome. Five of Swords. So there could be some conflicts here. I feel like you guys need to communicate more, especially with that High Priestess and then the King of Swords here. You need to open up your hearts more, be more emotionally available, speak your mind, speak your truth. If you guys want this situation here, you definitely need to get out of a negative headspace as well. Some of you could be kind of cutting with your words too. Take it however it resonates, you guys. That's what I have for you, Aries, for love. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know how it resonated. You guys take care. All right, bye guys.